teulu Corbett sy'n arwen y...
A gathen nhw wyt yn y flwyddyn dwytha hefyd efo heifer glas Brydeinig yw'r pedwar ola hefyd.
A mae yn ôl gyda hon, dwi'n
Mae'n mynd i fod reit diddorol, dwi'n teimlo.
I fe chwilio am gilwobr yma fe falle?
Dwi'n gwybod. Fo penderfynu sy'n ni'n meddwl rhwng pŵer y Charolais. A wy'n dal i feddwl bod y lim yna'n tlws, ynddi. Rhwng y pŵer a'r tlws, ynddi.
Mae'n mor ffeminin hefyd yn dri, bod hi'n bwerus.
Bob peth, da. A mae rhaid i ni lo'n gyfarch. Ew, mae di wneud job i'n dda, boes, yn beirniadu. Yn diwe.
Yndi, mae di cymryd amser.
A dwi'n di bod yn teimlo a swmpo gormod o'i nhw, achos mae'n gwybod bod nhw i gyd yn iawn fel ni, dwi'n
Ond edrych o bod wedi wneud i benderfyniad.
A mae'n edrych o bod wedi mwynhau hyn hefyd yn dri, sydd yn bwysig.
Beth sy'n ddiddorol yw, dwi'n meddwl bod nhw wedi gweud, dwi'n meddwl bod nhw wedi gofyn os yw eisiau siarad efo'r dorf.
O, mynd i wneud.
O, mae'n mynd i wneud. Dwi'n falch o'n ni. A dyma ni, dewch ni i dawelu i glywed beth sydd da fe weid.
As you can see by the quality field we've assembled here, these champions, it's no easy task to select an actual winner.
And I thought I could smell some smoke.
I'd quite like to give all these four in the front line a winning ticket, but it's not possible. I congratulate all the previous judges on their selections of champions. They've been, you know, they're a credit to all their breeds.
My leg was in agony.
The Charolais cow is an awesome young cow, doing a great job with just a late November calf. She's good on the move. She's awesome body when you think she's suckling a calf, and she comes at you really well, sticks her ears up and says, "Look at me." And that's what I like to see in an animal. Then we come to this Limousin heifer, beautifully balanced, great flesh to her, shown impeccably well as always. A real nice heifer, I like her. And I love this year-old Belgian blue heifer. When you think she's just a year old, she's got an awesome body to her and she moves really well. She's only going to get better and better. And then we come to this Highland heifer. Well, she's pretty exceptional as well too, I think. And it's going to be a difficult choice between these four, because this heifer has great balance. And when you put your hand on her, underneath all that hair, she's got great fleshing too. So it could be time to phone a friend, I think. Anyway, we've got to get down to it. You can't delay it any longer. So I would think, just for our overall balance.
A lim wedi mynd â hi! A'r gilwobr i'r Charolais! O, bobl bach! Am bencampwriaeth, am waith da mae'r beirniad wedi wneud. Ac am eiliad gofiadwy, y goron drifflig i'r teulu yma, wrth gwrs. Wedi ennill yn sioe'r ucheldir yr Highland Show. Wedi dod i'r brig hefyd. Yn sioe'r Efrog, Swydd Efrog. A nawr wedi mynd â hi fan hyn, Owain.
Ydy, wel, mae'n rhaid i ddeud, mae'n bencampwr teilwng iawn. A mae'n dipyn o hanes, mae'n hynod emosiynol i yn, achos mae'n drist iawn, i colli wraig yn ddiweddar iawn. A mae'n, da chi'n gallu gweld arno fo, mae'n golygu lot yn fo.
Ydy, yn sicr.
Ia, bencampwr a cil, bencampwr arbennig.
A boes am bencampwriaeth, joies i honna yn ofnadw, mae rai cyfaddau.
Mi all yr amser fel nawn.
Yn dod, Roland. Ar y beirniad yw gamol hefyd, fel o ti llynedd hefyd, Owain. Ddim yn gwastraff i amser, ond eto wneud y gwaith yn drylwyr, ac wyt ti'n gallu dilyn patrwm i feirniadu fe?
Ti'n gallu gweld bron beth oedd yn mynd i wneud, ynddi?
O, tyn union. A gai ddiolch o galon i chithau eich dau am gadw cwmni fi. Wedi cael modd i fyw. Joes yw'n fawr iawn, mae rhai cyfaddau, a dwi'n meddwl bod neb yn gallu dadle efo'r canlyniad chwaith.
Dim ond gwybod, mae wedi bod yn rhaid i fod yma.
Llon gyfarchiadau. I'r Lims wedi dod i'r brig unwaith eto yn y sioe fawr. A mi ai fewn i gael gair sydyn gyda Ian. Ian, llon gyfarchiadau, congratulations.
Thank you.
Many, many congratulations. I know there's somebody very special that can't be here. And she's here with us though. I know she is. Ian, it's a very, very emotional day for you all. How are you feeling? Lost for words. Lost for words. Congratulations.
That was cruel.
Congratulations. Llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
She's an exceptional beast.
Lost for words, I'm sorry.
You're going to have a big party tonight?
Yeah, absolutely. We're going to make the most of it.
Enjoy it.
Yes.
And llongyfarchiadau gresog.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Well
Thank
done.
you.
Da iawn.